Hello and welcome to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate and welcome to the channel. The name of today's broadcast is Differences Between Automatic Expansion Valves and Thermal Expansion Valves. The automatic expansion valve was the first valve developed to eliminate the need of having a refrigeration engineer manually adjust a hand-operated expansion valve. The valve is designed to maintain a constant pressure at the outlet of the valve. By keeping the pressure constant, it indirectly controls the temperature as well. There are, however, two major disadvantages to this type of valve. First, as the load decreases, causing a drop in evaporator pressure, the valve will tend to open so as to maintain the outlet pressure. In doing so, however, excess refrigerant is fed to the evaporator, resulting in liquid sludging and potentially damaging the compressor. Second, as the load increases, causing an increase in evaporator pressure, the valve will tend to close so as to maintain the outlet pressure. Unfortunately, this results in starving of the evaporator at a time when the load is highest. These disadvantages have resulted in the automatic expansion valve replaced by thermal expansion valves or TXV valves in most applications. The TXV valve responds to the superheat at the outlet side of the evaporator, and as a result is more responsive to the actual load, resulting in a more efficient system. As you can see, there's a few images of different style expansion valves, just so you can get accustomed to how they look. And for the more seasoned service providers and technicians out there, you more than likely have ran across most of these already. So is there ever an appropriate application for an automatic expansion valve? The answer is yes. There remain some applications where automatic expansion valves offer an advantage. In applications where it is important to prevent the evaporator pressure and temperature from getting too low, the automatic expansion valve is a natural for this. Some examples of this include water coolers and drink dispensing equipment. If the evaporator of a water cooler, for example, were allowed to drop below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, it would freeze and potentially rupture, much like the water pipes in your home. To prevent this, automatic expansion valves are often used in these types of applications. They are adjusted so as to maintain an operating pressure several psi above the freezing point, thereby eliminating the need for secondary controls. So that's all I have on this topic. I thank you all for listening. Please stay tuned for more. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And again, I'd like to thank all of the viewers, all of the channel members, and all of the website members. Thank you all for your support. I appreciate you. Take care and stay well.